When someone opens your YouTube channel, it should have a proper channel trailer, featured video, channel logo, and well-organized popular uploads, recent uploads, and playlists. In this video, I will show you exactly that how you can add these things to your channel. YouTube just made whole life easier to customize your channel. Hello everyone, I'm Bilal Sharif. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about how to grow your YouTube channel and other YouTube related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So this is my channel. In this video I will show you how you can link your Instagram account with your YouTube channel. When you click this Instagram icon, it will take you to my Instagram account, and the next icon will give you my email ID. So by configuring these things, when someone wants to collaborate with you, they can easily contact you if you add these things to your YouTube channel. And the next thing is channel trailer. I have added this video as a channel trailer and I will show you how you can do this. And the next section I configured was this popular uploads, and this will display all popular videos from my channel to the subscribers. In other words, I can say popular uploads will show all those videos which got more views from your YouTube channel. And the next section I configured was this uploads. This will display recent uploads of my channel. And I could suggest you to have popular uploads first in your channel, followed by recent uploads section, and then you have your playlist. If you are not aware, I have been making videos on best places of India as part of Incredible India series, and some law videos, general knowledge videos, and tips to grow your YouTube channel. So I configured this playlist in my home page so that when someone visits my channel for the first time, they will be able to find it. In this video, I will also cover how you can change your channel name and logo. To customize your YouTube channel, you have to first log in YouTube Studio. I have pasted the link in the description of this video. You can use that, but the thing is you have to open in desktop view. You can either use computer or laptop, or if you don't have a computer or laptop, it's fine. You can use your mobile and open it in a desktop view. And I'm recording this demo from my mobile. In YouTube Studio, click this customization icon as you can see in the screen. It will take you to channel customization screen. Here we have three sections: layout, branding, and basic information. First, I will start with basic information followed by branding and layout. In basic information tab, you can change your channel name if required. Say I started my YouTube channel with Bilal Sharif as its name. In future, if I want to change my channel name to something like YouTube Tips, I can do that from this customization tab. And then you have description. When someone visits your channel for the first time, they will read this description and they will get to know what kind of content will be shared in this channel. In my case, I have clearly mentioned that I will be sharing travel videos, law videos, general knowledge videos, and some tips to grow your YouTube channel. And in this section, you can customize your channel URL. Say if you don't like this URL and you want to customize it by having your name plus some numbers, of course you can do that. In the next section, you can add links. So I have added Instagram in the first box and followed by its link in the second box. Same way Gmail first and followed by my Gmail ID. And YouTube will take care of adding the icons. You don't have to worry. You have to just tell them what application. I'll say Instagram is an application. It will try to add Instagram logo. So you have to give the YouTube basic information like what is your link about in the first box and followed by link in the second box. In next section, you have to tell YouTube how many links you want to show in your YouTube channel banner. So in my case, I have added Gmail and Instagram. So I will say 2 links. And if you want to add contact information, you can do that. So these are the things that can be customized inside basic information tab. Now we will move to the next tab. The next tab is branding. Here the first section is about changing your profile picture if required. And there is a recommended size suggested by YouTube for your profile picture. You have to follow those guidelines or else it will be rejected. And the next section inside branding tab is banner. Here you can change the banner for your YouTube channel. I have already made a video on how to create thumbnail for your YouTube channel. In that, I have covered how you can use Canva app. Of course, you can see that tutorial and you can learn about how to create a banner for your YouTube channel. I have pasted the link in the description of this video. You can have a look at it. The next section is about adding watermarks. In my case, I added subscribe now icon in all my videos as a watermark. Whenever you play my video, you will find this. If you're someone new to my channel, then try out this subscribe now watermark. You can click on it and subscribe to my channel while watching the video. Now let's move to the next tab, which is layout. In this tab, you can customize the layout of your home page. Here you can add channel trailer, popular uploads, recent uploads, playlist, featured video, shorts, etc. You will find add section. Using that, you can add popular videos, recent uploads, playlist, etc. Here you will find an option to add channel trailer and featured video. I have already added that. Here you will find a button to add it. Since I have already added, I'll get an option to change now. That's it guys. I hope this video will be useful for those people who are trying to customize their YouTube channel. I would like to thank all these people for their comments. That's the motivation for this video. And if you're someone new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you already subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do share with your friends and family members. This is Bilal Sharif signing out until we meet again with a new tip.